to another studio vlog. If you're new here, I'm Nikki Jackson. I'm an artist and illustrator and part-time illustration degree student. And yeah, it's been a little while since I have filmed a vlog for you guys, so I thought that this first one back would be all about catching you up on what I've been up to the last few months. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching. So from the end of last year we started progress on my brand new studio. I did include a bit of clips in my last vlog, but this is the process so far. We are dividing our garage and yeah, it's going to be my new studio, so there's lots of work to be done, and this was the first stage of starting to get the blockwork wall up and the doorway put in. And yeah, we've made some more progress which I'll show you in a little while, but this is the first step. Towards the end of last year I worked on two really sweet little commissions. They were memory keepsakes for as gifts for people, and yeah, so this first one was a cute little doggy and it was mostly black, so she was quite hard to paint, but the lady who it was given to was delighted with it, which was a relief. And yeah, it was a bit out of my comfort zone because it was darker colours than what I'm used to using, and when I do these pet commissions I always want to get the likeness as best that I can with them, so that was quite challenging. And then this little kitty, I am not that experienced with painting cats, so it was quite challenging, but I'm really pleased with the results. Because they were such small paintings, obviously getting a lot of detail in was very difficult, and had to use a really fine brush to do it. And the eyes of this cat were quite challenging because they were really tiny, and I wanted to obviously get the likeness right, so I played around with them quite a bit, and I ended up using some coloured pencils with the paints to get the definition right. But again, the lady was really pleased with how this turned out, so that was a big relief. So there were a couple of paintings that I did last year. Okay, so first of all, this is the back wall. It was covered in a lovely clematis called Montana, and I'd been growing it for years, so I'm very sad that it's gone, but the birdies kept nesting in it, and so we had to wait till now till it was empty, and could cut it down, and we're going to start over and plant a new one, and we're going to train it up each side because we're going to have a window here. So that's exciting. So it looks very bare at the moment, but we have plans for that this year. So as we come into the garage, this is what it is looking like. It's still a little hard to tell what it will be like in the end, but I have a doorway now, and my fire door is going to go there. So that is currently over there right now, but that's what's going here. This side is hubby's workshop, so quick peek of that. And then if I turn you round, this whole side is going to be my studio. Now it's really hard to tell how big it's going to be because we've got things covered up behind the sheets there. So yeah, it's a decent sized space. It's a lot bigger than my one in the house. So yeah, hubby's done a really good job getting this wall up. So it's not the most prettiest thing to look at, but it's now up and the straps are in place. And yeah, we've still got to sort out all the ceiling, and there'll be French doors there, so that'll be really nice. And then the window will go on the wall. Let me see, you probably won't be able to see a lot behind here, but here is where the window is going to go. So yeah, I'm hoping to have like storage on that side, and then this back wall will be like my display wall where I'll have paintings and illustrations and things like that, and hoping to have like a really nice little sofa there. And yeah, so it's very exciting, and yeah, still quite a lot of work to go. We've got to sort out all the electrics and things, and yeah, it's still very much work in progress, but the first phase is almost done. So next stage is getting the drawings made up properly and submitting it to building regulations, and then once that gets approved, we can start insulating the walls and getting some plasterboard up. So very exciting. So hopefully you've enjoyed seeing a sneaky peek of the progress, and I will keep you updated as things go along, but it's probably going to take most of the year to get this built, but yeah, we're making progress, so it's very exciting. So another big project that I've been working on is completing my assessment process for my printmaking for my illustration degree that I am doing distance learning part-time. So here is a selection of all my prints throughout the whole unit. I had to select my best 12 pieces to put forward to be assessed, which is basically grading, and I will get the results of that in April. But I thought I would share a sneaky peek of some of the prints that I made. These were based on different printmaking techniques, including monoprinting, lino printing and collagraphs. And yeah, it was an interesting unit to do. It was quite hard, and yeah, I'm pleased with the prints that I made. So I am trying to get you up to speed now with where I'm at after getting all that work in, and I've decided to start a brand new painting, and I wanted it to be very spring-like, slightly abstract stroke impressionist, and here are the base layers of that painting. We come to my latest creation, which is this really cute baby deer illustration, and I was trying out the retro Max Packs brushes on Procreate, and I'm really loving how they have such a painterly feel to them. They feel a bit more like traditional media, and as you know, my actual painting style is quite painterly, so I really wanted to see if I could create this effect with my digital art. And yeah, so this is how it's turned out. I hope you enjoy seeing the time lapse of this drawing. I am thinking that I will probably use this for a thank you card design to go out in my orders, and yeah, it's really cute. So that's it for my creations up till now. I am currently working on some new designs for the shop, and also planning to do a spring prompt list for this coming spring. So it was really fun to do the Christmas one. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that. And yeah, so I thought I would host a spring one as well, and I'm really looking forward to doing that. So that's been the kind of activities of the last few months. Lots have happened really, and yeah, I've had a lot of degree work to get on with, and yeah, I'm kind of in a nice phase at the moment with having a bit of a rest and working on some new ideas for the shop, and yeah, preparing to start doing some more degree work for the next part of the unit that I'm on, which is illustration 2, and it's going to be all about narrative, storytelling and characters, so that's going to be really exciting. I'm really looking forward to doing that. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in hearing more about my degree and the kind of things that you would like to know about. If you've got any questions, I'd love to have answer them for you. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching and seeing what I've been up to, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'd love to chat to you in the comments, so leave your messages down below and I will respond to you soon. And yeah, I will see you again next time for another studio vlog or another artsy video. I'm thinking of doing some different videos mixed in with studio vlogs, so if you've got anything you would like me to do, like painting videos, drawing videos, tips videos, all those kinds of things, let me know. And yeah, I will see you again soon. Bye!